Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Chapter number 4, analysis of time series, in which one of the important method, the least square method for fitting of straight line train. The standard form of the equation is a y cap t equal to a plus bt. A and b are constant. From the data given below, fit the straight line train by the method of least square. Also estimate the train for the value 2015-16 for the year. Now year is given, means 2007-8, right? 2007-8, 8-9, 9-10, 10-11 up to 2014-15. And cost inflation index numbers are 551, 582, 632, 711, 785, 852, 939, 1024. Prepare the table for the solution. The table in which columns are year, then time t, data y means CII, cost, inflation index, then t square, then ty. Finally, train values y cap t. This is the example from our textbook, exercise number 4.2, example number 2. 4.2, example number 2. See, this is the first year, this is the second year, this is the third year, this is the fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, eighth year. Means time t, t equal to 8, n equal to 8. Small n, value of n is 8. Y data is given to us, then t square, square of this number 1, 1, square of this number 2, 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, etc. Then make the multiplication, means product, y and t, means ty. 1 multiplied by 551 become 551. 2 multiplied by 5d2, 1164. 3 multiplied by 632, 1896. 4 multiplied by 711, 2844, etc. Means t and y multiplication is there. After completing this, make the summation, make the total. Then calculation of a and b. But before calculating a and b, calculate y bar and t bar. T bar is nothing but average value of t, and y bar is nothing but average value of y. Means sigma t upon n, 36 upon 8, it becomes 4.5. Y bar, sigma y upon n, 6076 upon 8, 759.5. After finishing this, after completing this, compute constant values a and b. Now b is given by n time sigma ty minus inside the bracket sigma t sigma y upon n time sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. Now substitute the values. N means say sigma ty 30257, sigma t 36, sigma y 6076. Upon n means say sigma t square 204, sigma t means 36 whole square. After making simplification, you will get 23,320 over 336, and answer of constant b is 69.4. Be careful about the time of calculation, be careful about the formula and simplification also. After computing b, compute the value of a. A means y bar minus b times t bar. T bar is 4.5 and y bar is 759.5. Y bar 759.5 minus b 69.4 into 4.5. Ultimately the answer of A is 447.2. Now substitute the value. An equation of the straight line train is given by y cap equal to a plus bt. Substitute for a, substitute for b. Therefore y cap t become 447.2 plus 69.4 time t. For computing this calculation, working must be shown in your answer book. To calculate this, to show this, substitute one by one, t equal to 1, t equal to 2, t equal to 3 successively. If you substitute the value of t, then you will get this value. Put t equal to 1 in this, you will get 516.6. Substitute t equal to 2 in this equation, you will get 586.0. Substitute t equal to 3 in this equation, you will get 655.4, and so on. Similarly, calculate for each and every year. This is the last column, trend values y cap t, a plus bt. In this equation, substitute 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on for the given number of the year. Also, we have to estimate the trend value for this year 2015-16. For 2015-16, 1, 2, 3 up to 8 and then 9. And become 9 means t equal to 9 for that. For the year 2015-16, t become 9. If it is given that 2016-17, then we have to take t equal to 10. But for this year 15-16, by taking t equal to 9, substitute in this equation t equal to 9. 447.2 plus 69.4 time t. By taking t equal to 9 and after making simplification, you will get cost inflation index number for this year 2015-16 y cap t. This is the estimated value 1071.8. This calculation also here you must show, right, for your better result and marks. See, this is the least square method. Fitting of straight line trend. This is the one of the important method. One of the important method in this chapter time series. If you draw the graph of this, then dotted line, the trend line becomes straight line. Not the chord, but the trend always straight, this way. And so it is known as straight line trend. From textbook, from illustration, from PDF, from board papers, please minimum 10 number of the example of the same type must be practiced by you. And then you get good command over this method. This is the important method, can be asked in section E or section F for 4 to 5 marks. And this is important one, and that is why we practice well, we prepare well. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. See you.